they have 5 campsites back here now. There are water and electrical, no dump, which is fine. There's Elkhart Campground has a dump. It's like 5 miles down the road or something. But they're full concrete, and I believe they're going to be using them for like pre-drop-offs and service appointments and such, which is pretty cool. It's just kind of another added cool part of what they're doing with their service program, because I mean, a lot of people, like, if we hadn't gotten lucky and found out about this apartment, well, we were just asking about hotels around that they had discounts at, and they booked the apartment for us, which was cool. We didn't even know about the apartment until now. I had heard rumblings of the campsites, but didn't know anything of the apartment. So we now know that there is an apartment. It's a 1-bedroom. And our dog is waiting for her treats, I'm assuming. Every time after a walk, you know, Princess has to have her treat. But it's got huge windows, big smart TV, kitchen setup is an induction, which, let me tell you, learning curve. It's got a couch and just big windows again, looking at the farmer's field, which is kind of nice. There's been deer and all that. Full laundry, much bigger than what we have. And they have towels and bedding and silverware, cookware, which we're adding to because they don't have everything that we needed, but full bathroom, big shower, which is nice. All the hot water. And we haven't made the bed, but you'll be fine. Bed and closet. We moved our chargers to off the side table. Well, this is my end table, but moved it off there so we're not sleeping next to our phones all the time. It's pretty nice. They got all cups and I need to do dishes. Plates. Well, we need to do dishes. I'm not gonna say I because I suck at dishes. Dun, 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 dun. Apparently the prior couple people really like Chinese food. But people have been like adding stuff as they come in.
We donate to the cause.
There's a book for like guest book, which is cool. But basically, yeah, donating to the cause, keeping it stocked. And all you have to do at the end is clean it